How to start a YouTube channel and make money from ads. Have you ever wondered how some people use YouTube to support themselves full-time? I'm referring to hundreds of dollars per month from only the advertising that show on their films. So buckle up, because I'm going to demonstrate in this video exactly how to create a channel from scratch and how to optimize it to increase your ad earnings. No filler or gimmicks, just straightforward, tactical guidance. You must start by creating a catchy channel name and logo. Spend some time coming up with names that accurately define your niche. Fill out your channel homepage next. Use branding components throughout, provide a captivating description, and link to your social media accounts. It's time to set up your recording environment and equipment. HD video quality, clear audio, and good lighting are necessary. To appear professional, spend money on the necessities. Engage viewers with your videos inside the first 10 seconds. Start off with some startling statistics, an intriguing anecdote, or a hint of the value to come. To add to the YouTube video script, consider the following advice. Maintain a regular upload schedule for your videos. This will help YouTube's algorithm suggest your content. When you first start out, aim for no less than 1 to 2 videos per week. Engage with your audience frequently in the comments. Respond to comments, elicit feedback, and poll viewers for potential video ideas. This increases involvement. Conduct research on and choose video topics based on viewer intent. For instance, a search for how to boil eggs would be instructive, whereas a search for funny cat videos would be amusing. Improve your thumbnail pictures. To increase click-throughs, use strong language, numbers, arrows, contrasting colors, and close-up faces. Try out various thumbnails. Spread the word about your videos on specialized forums, Reddit, and Quora. Post highlights and clips to Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Create unique end screens and cards that link to your other videos. This increases subscribers and watch time. Once you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 view hours for the year, you can join the YouTube Partner Program. This opens up more features for monetization. Make Super Chat and channel subscriptions available so that viewers may pay for extras like shoutouts, early access, and personalized emojis. Utilize affiliate marketing, merchandise sales, brand sponsorships, and fan funding methods to diversify your income beyond AdSense. Investigate keywords and incorporate them into names and descriptions of movies to rank them well in searches. Look up top terms among competitors. Make your content as watchable as possible. Eliminate filler, make clips brief and concentrated, and conclude on a cliffhanger. Last but not least, enable monetization in Creator Studio. To earn more money, strategically place adverts and promote affiliate products. You may create a successful YouTube business with the appropriate plan of action. Get to work creating and collecting those AdSense checks right away. Can you recommend any resources for finding my niche? Following are some pointers for choosing your niche while beginning a side business. Make a list of your knowledge, passions, and interests. What do you naturally do? What do you like to read or do in your spare time? These are excellent places to start when picking a niche. To find out what abilities are in demand, look through prominent freelancing websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. The most lucrative and in-demand jobs are reliable signs of lucrative niches. Ask your friends, relatives, and coworkers about any issues they face that you might be able to help them with. The individuals closest to you may have knowledge about needs you can meet. Take a look at the business you're in now. Your daily talents and knowledge can frequently be applied to a side business that complements your experience. Join websites like Facebook groups, forums, and communities that are relevant to your interests. Watch what issues people are most suffering with and seeking assistance with. Find high traffic, low competition phrases connected to your hobbies using Google Keyword Planner and other keyword research tools. This may show unfulfilled needs. Try not to overthink it. Start experimenting with several concepts to see what takes off. Once you have more data, you can always pivot. The most crucial step is picking a location you genuinely appreciate. This increases the satisfaction of turning your passion into money. Can you recommend any specific equipment for recording YouTube videos? Here are some suggestions for entry-level gear to start creating high-quality YouTube videos. Camera: strive for 1080p HD quality. Canon Rebel T6i or Sony ZV-1 are both suitable solutions for beginners. Even a smartphone camera can be used. Microphone: superior audio quality is crucial. Consider condenser microphones such as the Blue Yeti or AT2020. For vlogging, lavalier mics are excellent. Lighting: natural light is best, but you might need a ring light or soft box light to make the interior more bright. Lighting kits from Neewer and Limo Studio are reasonably priced. Tripod: use a tripod to stabilize your camera footage. The Zome Q555 is a reliable and adaptable alternative. For vlogs, use a Gorilla Pod. Editing software: before spending money on expensive programs like Final Cut Pro, start with free solutions like OpenShot or Shotcut. Create eye-catching thumbnails using free graphic design tools like Canva and PicMonkey. Screen recorder: use free programs like OBS Studio or Loom to record your computer screen. Prioritize valuable content over high-quality creation first. You can put money earned back into more advanced equipment as your channel expands. For greater savings, consider second-hand equipment and accessory bundles. How can I research keywords for my YouTube channel? The following advice might help you choose powerful keywords to optimize your YouTube channel and videos. Check out which terms are most frequently searched and which ones have a greater search volume using YouTube's own search box. Look at how many results are being shown. Check out the free Keyword Planner tool from Google. It will offer relevant keywords and search volume suggestions once you enter a topic. Useful for phrases with longer tails. Install the TubeBuddy or vidIQ browser add-ons. These will display the tags that videos that are ranked use to generate ideas. Examine the rivals in your market. Look for the keywords they target in their video titles and descriptions. Aim for success rather than precise replication. Check the trends in keyword search volume over time using Google Trends. Check to see which ones have ongoing or increasing interest. Identify keyword gaps, or popular searches for which videos are not yet ranked. Create material for them. Be sure to naturally incorporate keywords into your title, description, tags, subtitles, etc. Avoid over-optimizing to avoid penalties. Monitor your rankings while browsing anonymously, then refine. Replace less effective keywords with those that boost ranks. Pay attention to viewers' analytics search requests. Prepare next videos with such keywords in mind. Your videos will be discovered and ranked higher in YouTube and Google searches if you take the time to conduct keyword research. Message me if you require any additional advice. What are some tips for increasing watch hours on my channel? The following advice can help you improve the number of views on your YouTube channel. Optimize your titles and thumbnails. People are more likely to click on and watch your videos if your titles and thumbnails are engaging and descriptive. Grab viewers' attention in the first 10 to 30 seconds. A compelling introduction keeps viewers interested so they watch more of your film. Start with your strongest material. Encourage the use of video playlists. Playlists encourage users to watch many videos consecutively, extending their viewing time. Produce long-form content. Viewership rates for videos longer than 10 minutes are generally higher. Think about producing tutorials, documentaries, etc. Promote binge watching by suggesting viewers watch your subsequent video at the conclusion of each installment. Review audience retention reports to determine when viewers begin to dwindle and adjust your videos as necessary. Simplify long stretches. Involve your audience, run contests, do giveaways, and welcome comments to generate interest. Continue to upload often. New content keeps viewers coming back, which raises the total number of watch hours. Work together with others to reach each other's audiences and promote each other's material. Post YouTube video links on social media, embed videos on your website, etc. to increase traffic from outside sources. In order to effectively promote affiliate products on your YouTube channel, consider the following tactics. Dedicated review films, produce videos thoroughly analyzing or contrasting affiliate items. Give a thorough explanation of your affiliate relationship. List videos, discuss the 5 best product X for Y while including your affiliate links in the text underneath. Wonderful for gift guides. Tutorial videos, showcase how to use a partner product you suggest to address an issue. Comparative videos, compare 2 well-known affiliate items side by side based on attributes like cost, value, and features. Link in the description and pinned comment. To boost visibility, share affiliate links in the video description and pin a comment that contains the link. Coupon codes and discounts. For an added incentive, provide a special coupon code or mention time-sensitive specials. Bonus content. Mention a free bonus, ebook, cheat sheet that enhances the value of your affiliate link. Product unboxing. For an honest endorsement, record yourself opening a recently acquired affiliate product. Segment your audience, promote various affiliate items that are suited to the preferences of your niche. Establish trust gradually, don't unduly promote your products. Integrate affiliate links into content that is value-focused. Transparency and giving your viewers genuine value initially are crucial. Be careful not to overpromote your affiliate links. Make an effort to assist viewers, and money will come. Here are some excellent programs you can use to make YouTube video thumbnails that are optimized. Canva, a free graphic design program with templates for YouTube thumbnails. Image, text, and icon dragging and dropping is simple. Online picture editor PicMonkey offers YouTube thumbnail sizes. Allows you to edit photos, add graphics, and text. Thumbnailator creates thumbnails automatically by identifying crucial periods in your video file. Good for tests with data support. TubeBuddy, this browser add-on evaluates your thumbnails and assigns them a score so they can be improved. Has A/B testing for thumbnails. Fanart.tv is a search engine that allows you to find relevant thumbnail images that you can use lawfully. Find ideas that relate to the subject of your video. Pablo by Buffer, create eye-catching visuals using pre-made themes and the option to add extras like emoji. Layers, effects, and sophisticated editing can be used to generate fully customized thumbnails with Adobe Photoshop/Illustrator's premium capabilities. Include contrasting colors, choose complementing colors that pop next to one another using a color wheel. Add faces. According to research, thumbnails featuring people's faces receive more clicks. Make use of video snapshots. Keep it basic, stay away from cluttered imagery. Concentrate on a single, simple to process, compelling visual hook. Try with several thumbnail algorithms and monitor YouTube Analytics click-through rates. This will show you what is most effective for your channel and audience. Here are some efficient social media marketing strategies for your YouTube videos. Produce brief, 15 to 60 seconds, clips, animations, or still photographs from your videos to natively publish and share on social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. To draw visitors, provide captivating captions that highlight the main points and advantages of your video material. Pose a thought-out query. Make sure your captions have clear calls to action, such as learn how to underscore in my latest YouTube video. Link in profile. Use pertinent hashtags on Twitter and Instagram to make your material visible in searches. Look up any trending hashtags that are relevant. To reach influencers, followers, and other accounts that would find your video intriguing, tag or mention them in your video. Post links to your videos on pertinent Reddit and Facebook groups, forums, and communities. Always provide your viewers with value. Prioritize videos with the highest audience retention because they are more likely to convert to full views. Plan social media campaigns to launch immediately after you publish a new video to capitalize on audience interest. Use sponsored advertisements on Facebook and Instagram to retarget previous video viewers, luring them back to YouTube so they can finish watching. Examine your traffic sources in YouTube Analytics to determine which social media sites have the highest conversion rates. Smart targeting and consistency are essential. On all of your connected social platforms, spread the word about your top videos several times. Although it takes time, this tactic increases entire watch time. The following advice can help you locate other YouTubers to work with. Look at the partners that influencers in your market are working with. Speak with content producers whose audiences overlap or who create comparable types of material. Utilize a tool like vidIQ to find and sort channels based on relevant criteria such as audience interests, influence level, and more. Speak with those who seem like a good fit. Connect with other creators by joining Facebook groups, subreddits, forums, etc. relating to your niche. Attend YouTuber conventions or gatherings for your genre. This enables you to personally meet possible collaborators. Directly contact smaller channels in your niche that have active subscribers. Cross-promote each other's material by offering to make frequent comments on videos from channels you want to work with. Ask them if they'd be open to brainstorming ideas as soon as they notice you. Ask your own subscribers with whom they would like to partner and who they follow for similar content. Discover YouTubers in your area using Twitter, then start watching their videos. Enter those direct messages. Ask the YouTube creators you follow on Instagram if they would be interested in working together. When suggesting a cooperation, don't forget to offer something of worth. Give suggestions for innovative, interesting content that will appeal to both audiences. When launching a YouTube channel, be sure to avoid the following blunders. Lack of a distinct specialty or focus. Over the long term, channels with a narrow emphasis on a single subject typically do better. Poor audio or video quality. Invest in the most fundamental tools to guarantee that your movies are of the highest caliber from the beginning. An erratic upload schedule. Sporadic uploads throw YouTube's algorithm off. Even if it's just once a week, maintain a regular regimen. Generic titles and thumbnails can be used to increase click-through rates by including relevant keywords and clickbait-style content and graphics. Ignoring the value of subscriptions. Encourage subscribers by making it simple for them to do so through end screens, channel branding, etc. Purchasing phony viewers or subscribers will result in the banning of your channel. Cultivate naturally. If you think you require fancy editing, start with material that adds value. At first, simple jump cuts are okay. Lengthy intro or outro sequences, get right to the point and finish your message fast. Keep introductions to 10 seconds or less. Not advertising outside of YouTube, share your videos on all pertinent forums, social media sites, and other venues to increase exposure. Being too concerned with equipment. When starting out, high-quality production takes a backseat to great content. Transform gradually. Giving up too soon. Patience and consistency are essential. Analyze your metrics and keep your channel optimized. Stay away from these mistakes and concentrate on producing valuable content. Continually raise the standard and creatively market it. This will support healthy channel growth.